Whether you're tackling tough terrain or smooth city streets, Rough Country's nitrogen-charged V2 Monotube shock absorber leads the way, delivering impeccable ride quality and performance mile after mile. The V2 Monotube shock absorber is more than an upgrade. It's a true performance shock. Each shock features a T6061 brushed aluminum body with black anodized accents, giving it a striking visual appearance that also dissipates heat faster than other materials. The internal 46mm high flow piston offers countless years of durability. The V2 is designed to be mounted body up for a more interesting look on the vehicle. Rough Country's Monotube V2 shocks feature an internal floating piston design that keeps the shock oil and high pressure nitrogen separate. The result is a lightning fast reaction with no cavitation, just unbridled vibration dampening at each and every obstacle.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.